Ever get a voice message you just can't listen to right now? Maybe you're in a meeting, on the bus, or it's just too long. We've all been there. Long voice notes pile up. You can't listen. There's no transcript. It's frustrating. And it happens every single day. Introducing WhatsApp Transcriber, the Chrome extension that changes everything. Install it once. Open WhatsApp Web. A transcribe button appears below every voice message. One click, that's it. Hit transcribe and watch the magic. Your voice message turns into accurate text, word for word, right inside your chat. No waiting, no effort. Instant transcription in seconds. WhatsApp Transcriber doesn't just transcribe, it translates too. Arabic, Hindi, Spanish, French. Choose from over 50 languages and get a perfect translation, instantly. Perfect for business. International briefings, understood immediately. Perfect for family. Voice notes in any language, translated in seconds. Perfect for every conversation, in every language. Get started with 30 free transcriptions. No credit card required. Install WhatsApp Transcriber on Chrome today and start reading every voice message instantly.